Smooth it feel? So yeah, see there? That's the benefit of the UV cure. It instantly cures that finish. Yep. See there, guys? And that's one thing about the UV cure. It literally bakes that finish into the floor so you can actually feel how smooth the floor is.
It feels like we got brand new hardwood floors.
High five.
You should just tell everybody that.
And the satin is beautiful. What's up, guys? Happy Tuesday. Today is June the 2nd. We are in a new month, and June is usually one of the busiest months of the year, and we're already booked out about a week and a half. Plus, we're adding the countertop services to my business model. I'm doing a marble vanity in a Alpharetta this Saturday for one of my repeat clients that saw my Facebook post, where she referred me to one of her neighbors. She has a quartzite kitchen island that she called this morning and said, how about you just come do mine when you're done with Bethany? So I got 2 countertops Saturday. Also got a countertop Wednesday for a repeat client moving out of a house. But anyway, guys, today I have 2 projects. I'm working solo, but the good thing is they're not big jobs. Tavares went out of town. He'll be back later today, so he'll be with me for the rest of the week. So I'm here. This is David, and I just forgot his wife's name, but they're new homeowners of this beautiful home out here in Marietta. They moved from Florida. I came out about 2 weeks ago. They did an in-home consultation. They was getting some other work done to the house. They wanted me to be the last. So what I'm going to be doing today, guys, I think it's a little bit like 600 something square feet. Screen recoat with UV cure. So after I get the RadCoat down, I'm going to go off. It's about 25 minutes into the city of Midtown, and for a move out, do a clean and buffing, and then I'm going to come back here and UV cure, and then I have another in-home consultation in Lawrenceville on the way in. So let me flip this around and show you guys what I got going today. All right, guys, so I just got here. Again, I am in Marietta, Georgia. Going to be laying some RadCoat today. UV. All right, guys, so we got some engineered floors, and with these type of floors, guys, they cannot be sanded, and they do have a basement. All right, you can see that is an engineered plank. So we're going to be doing all screening here. Now we got some UV damage here. I can't make any promises, but I told them I'll try to make it a little darker. Hopefully if the stain will bond after I screen. So I just got through sampling a few grits to see, and I'm getting a great abrasion, as you can see. See that? So when you see that floor dulling down, knocking down that finish, that's a good indication. So I'm going to be doing sit-in dining room connected with the kitchen, then come over here through this little small hallway and this nice open living room. All right, guys, well, I am going to go ahead and get started. Stay tuned. Yeah. Yeah, it looks fake. That's what I'm saying. When you put that nice satin shit.
Turn that light on.
Yes.
It's over there on that wall.
Right here?
Yeah, the first one.
All right, guys.
Maybe that'll help.
Yep. I just got back. Look at these floors now. And that even looked better. Look at that.
It does.
The sun damage. Wow, it did. Because they add a little toner to it.
Yeah.
Wow. That's why satin and matte is one of my favorite finishes because it makes the floors look more natural.
Oh yeah, the sliders that you were talking about, are they felt?
Yeah, they felt.
Yeah.
You got them?
I got them.
Did your husband see them? Did you see the floors?
Yeah, I can't believe them.
Can't believe it. Yes, sir. Wow.
But now, do you still cure it?
Yeah, I'm about to cure it now. That machine that I left right there, I'm about to plug that up. You're going to see me cure it. Yep. All right, guys. So I just got back from Midtown. I did that floor. And now I'm about to cure this floor. Guys, look how much better this floor look. And that's one thing I love about that satin finish. It can really make an engineered floor. There you go. I was just about to say that. It makes the engineered floor look like a real solid floor. Love it. All right, guys, let me go ahead and get up the UV. Cure phone has been ringing a lot today. Got a lot of consultations came in. Or not a lot. I had 3 consultations come in. Few people sending pictures. So yeah. All right, guys, let me get this plugged up. Stay tuned. All right, guys, that's gonna do it. Man, look.
What do you think?
What do you think?
I love it. Oh,
It
man,
looks amazing.
I can walk on
Yes,
it,
yeah,
okay?
it's cure.
And what do you think about?
See how smooth it feels?
Feels so
Yeah,
good.
see there? That's the benefit of the UV cure. It instantly cures that finish. Yep.
Feels so good.
See there, guys? And that's one thing about the UV cure. It literally bakes that finish into the floor so you can actually feel how smooth the floor is.
It feels like we got brand new hardwood floors.
High five.
We should just tell everybody that.
And the satin is beautiful.
On the engineered wood makes it look like a
Real-
brand new hardwood floor.
Wow. I totally agree. That's why I love satins and mattes. Anytime people go, and again, everybody's different, but when people get to the semi-glosses, I'm like, yeah.
That's what was peeling and
Yep,
coming apart
yep,
in the
but-
last
yep.
floor. Dave,
I'm looking. I'm hard to please.
Oh, man. Well,
It's pretty nice.
thank you, Dave. I appreciate that, man. See there? You see that, guys? Mrs. Dave said, I'm hard to please.
and this, oh, I see.
Yeah,
now.
remember that?
What you're
Yeah.
talking about. Yeah.
All those, that color I
You
fixed?
did the best you could. on
Yep.
this
Yes,
situation.
ma'am.
Okay.
Awesome.
Wow.
All right, guys. Well, another happy...
So, you think it's okay to put that rug?
Yes,
a rug-
everything. You got dogs, cats, kids, elephants.
Run over it right now.
Yep, right now. All right, guys, that's going to do it. Another happy client.
Do I owe you any money or what is this?
If you got gold, I'll take some gold. All right, guys. See you tomorrow.